So there's a few parts for the Colorado that just came in. We do have a brand new shutter assembly. Alright guys, so we have the Colorado right here, and let's talk about why this is back in the shop. So right now the shop is a bit dirty, so we won't really be bringing it in all the way. But here's a few problems about this truck that we have to get sorted out. First of all, headlights. They were supposed to ship with bulbs. They didn't have bulbs in them, so they do have to come back out. I have the originals right here, the original lights right here with bulbs in them, and we're gonna switch them out like that. Then what we have next up is the shutter assembly. The car's making a super loud thud noise. Assumingly that shutter assembly is toast, it's broken. Where is it? Right here. That is a little cowl piece for the side, and it goes over here, and then I was missing one for the other side, so I ordered that. Then other thing is, I'm sure we all saw my Milwaukee. It was on the verges of not working, which it has succeeded in not doing so. So it stopped working. So we have a brand new one right here. Another bag. All right. I haven't seen a new M12 in forever, so. Okay, so here's a brand new M12 right here. Alright, I did some gap adjusting too. Got the headlights in. Let's see if they work. This one isn't working. Alright, so it turns out brand new bulb already blown out or something, because I put the other one in and that one started working. Popped the old one back in, still doesn't work. So I guess that old one is just broken or defective or something. Anyways, next up is the shutter assembly. Right guys, so got the headlights on, got brand new shutter assembly on. Look at that thing all in its one piece glory. So next up, this bumper is gonna go on, but it doesn't have anything to do with electronics or say putting up a coat on the car, because it's just a piece of plastic basically. So we're gonna go in the car and turn it on, and hopefully check engine light went away because of that. Hopefully there's no loud thuds because of that. And hopefully all the lights work, high beams, regular, and hazards, turn signals. Is possible, drive with care. All right, that's not right. Ooh, still got that check engine light though. Oh, it's working. Look at that. Those are opening up. Still no thuds, which is really good. Alright guys, so here's the Colorado. Got 2 keys right here. This car is like brand new condition. Has the airbag sticker right there too. So it's like a brand new car. Why don't we pop the hood? This is the only thing that was broken in the engine bay, so I replaced it. Got the front bumper, the headlights, everything's working now. Take the key, put it in the ignition. Look at that. No lights or anything. That car looks better than before. It had all the ABS lights and traction and tire lights, all that suspension related stuff. It is 100% done. Nothing else left to do. So, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.